It's an apple. Now we're gonna paint it with beautiful red color. Now I'm taking brown color. For the leaf, I'm gonna use green color. And for stars, I'm gonna use yellow color. Now it's time to paint a background. I'm taking cyan color and brown color. It's an orange. I'm going to paint it with orange color with some beautiful light orange color. Now I'm gonna take brown color, and for the leaf I'm gonna take green color and stars yellow color. So here is green color. Oh, there you go. No, it's not a green color. Yeah, this is a green color. So cyan color for the background and the brown color, and it's done. These are beautiful yummy strawberries. I'm gonna paint it with red color. So I'm taking light red color. This is kind of carrot red color. So I'm gonna paint all the little seeds on the strawberries. Now it's time to paint leaves. So I'm gonna paint with green color and sand color for the sky, and the clouds, the dark sky or light blue color and green. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.